Hi everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Fine? I'm also fine. Thank you. Okay, so today we are going to do an art activity, of course. And I hope you have done your previous activities and you liked it also. I hope like that. So, and you're doing your circles also. And today also, before beginning this, you need to do circle practice. Of course, on newspaper. And let's begin then. Let's see what we can do today. Okay, so I'm going to show you what we are going to do now. So these are the things that we are going to draw today. Mushroom, caterpillar, further a castle, bumblebee, butterflies and some flowers. Okay, and if you want to add something to it, you can add that also. So I'm going to show one by one all the pics. Okay then. Okay. First, to draw a mushroom, you need to make two standing lines. Then make a sleeping line. Here also one curved line. Okay, and the top two edges just join like this. Now from here you just make a C curve. Here the D curve. Yeah, earlier I have told you about the C curve and the D curve. Okay, if you remember. Now from this point, see, look, this point and this point. Here you need to just make a semicircle or a cone shape like a curved line. Okay, so this becomes the mushroom. Now in the C curve and D curve, from here to here, just watch 2 points. You need to make few curved lines and join here like this. And to make few spots, you can just make few curved lines in this big semicircle. So you get a mushroom. This is how you do. Okay, now to make a caterpillar, first make a circle. Okay, now here you need to make a line this way. Okay, just draw very lightly. Okay, and on this line, I want you to make some ovals like this way, joining this circle. You don't need to go inside, just joining this. One more over this line. One more, one more, one more, like 1 2 3 4 4 5 circles, like ovals you get, and then you slightly erase this line with eraser. So this is your caterpillar's body. Now you make eyes, mouth and antenna. Now comes the legs. Now for legs, in each oval, what you have to do, you make two lines. One small, one big. You just watch carefully. I made one line small, the other one bigger. And make like this. It's looking like legs. This one small, this one big. Small, big. Small, big. Small, big. And just make like this. See, you got your caterpillar. Okay, so this is coming and eating. Yes. Now to draw a bumblebee again, make a small circle and an oval. Just see the size, okay? And for the wings, again oval, one big, one small. One big, one small. Okay, just try to keep both the sides same. Now for the tail, actually it's a pointed like thorn like tail. Just make a V shape. Okay, and just make few eyes, smile and two big antennas for it. Now for the body, you just make few curved lines. Your bumblebee is ready. So same way with the butterfly. Quick recap. Circle, oval, two ovals, one big, one small, one big, one small. Inside it you make double lines. Two eyes, smile and antenna. Same way lines and just decorate butterflies with few circles. Okay, like this. Now for the flowers, you make oval. It's an easy one to make the flower. Just make oval like this and draw like sun. How we draw the lines for the sun, you just make few lines like this. Okay? And just join with some few curved lines. See this way. So it will be like a flower. See? Easy, isn't it? And then to stalk of the flower, leaf. For that, just make one oval and one line. Like this way you can make few more flowers. Now the castle. Now the castle is a symmetrical drawing actually. So what you have to do, fold the page into half and then open. Now just make a line, and in the center of the page you make one rectangle. Okay, try to keep both the sides symmetrical. Suppose this is the line, center line, you try to keep it symmetrical. Now on this you make one more like a dome shape or a rectangle like this, and on that one more smaller one and one more smaller one. So here comes the flag. So this is the centerpiece of the castle. Now here we need to make the gate like this. I use few curve lines and small windows. So this becomes the main part. Now to this I am going to add one more rectangle on both the sides. To this again one more small rectangle and a triangle. Now to this again I am going to add one more tall rectangle. So this is like this. Okay, so in this again three partitions, one big triangle. So this is it. If you want to add windows, you add. Now on both the sides you have to do the same. Now see on the other side. Try to keep it same so that it looks symmetrical. And then the other side, all rectangles. Windows and one more triangle over it. So this is your castle. Yeah, here you can decorate few like this, and here you just make a big window. Yes, and that's it. Your castle is ready. Now see, after coloring it looks like this. Okay, if you want you can color or use your own color combinations. Okay, so bye, see you next class.